Hey guys, another quick video for the vending machines in Japan playlist. Just a few tasty things in this vending machine here thought you might be interested in. There's a rich milk waffle. Has good flavour, it says on the pack. You can believe that too, these things are always tasty. There's a sweet potato komachi, which is sort of a bread thing. It's tasty. Maple waffle also has good flavour. Strawberry tasty thing. There's a maple and caramel Danish. There's a cafe latte Danish. It's 140 yen, so about $1.60 or something like that. There's a cream tasty cream bread thing. Chocolate bread tasty thing. Excellent. And yeah, all tasty. They're always kept fresh, so they're always reasonably fresh and tasty and fabulous. Thought you might be interested in that one. More videos coming soon.